my potential YouTube subscribers. I am Dee, and you are viewing the trailer for the How To Ladies YouTube channel. We offer information related to organization, DIYs, and life hacks. We provide content that is relevant to everyday life. My background is I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a licensed cosmetology instructor. I used to teach cosmetic arts at one of the local community colleges, and I own a salon called Upper Level Styling, a place where we take your look to a new level. I might speak to how to care for your mental, emotional, and physical, because I am a licensed counselor. When you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. I enjoy counseling, and it is what I do. In addition to that, I might speak to business ownership. I own 3 businesses, Upper Level Styling. I own a modeling troupe for youth and a modeling troupe for young women. My YouTube channel. While you're there, don't forget to leave comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Come and join Team How To Lady. Come and join Team How To Lady. Yes, and I look forward to seeing you